28. Open page number 28. Open page number 28. Okay, read the first question. A body when acted upon by a force of 10 kgf. Acted upon by a force of 10 kgf. F equal to 10 kgf. Okay. Those who are done, it will be revision for them, but many students haven't still done. Okay. It is the force 10 kgf get displaced by 0.5 meter. Displacement is how much? 0.5 meter. This is the force acting on the body, and the displacement because of this force is 0.5 meter. Okay. Calculate the work done by the force when the displacement is in the direction of the force. When both are in the same direction, what will be the work done? Force, you can convert it into Newton from kg of unit to Newton. You have to multiply with 10, it will be 100 Newton. Yes or no? In kg of it is given kilogram force. So multiply with 10, that is if it is given 9.8, g equal to 9.8, you have to multiply with 9.8, or else with 10 if given 9. So work done will be how much? F into S, because both are in the same direction. F into S, it is how much? 100 Newton into 0.5 Newton. How much it is? Calculate and tell. 50 unit Newton meter.
Joule.
Or you can say 50 joule. Okay, first thing is clear. Second one, in the direction at an angle of 60 degree with the force. At an angle of 60 degree with the force. So if this is the force applied and the body is moving at an angle of 60 degree. So what will be the formula? First, cos theta. Theta is how much? 60. Cos 60 is how much? How much is cos 60? 3 by 2 or 1 by 2? Sine.
1 by 2.
You have studied sine. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. 0 degree
Yes,
is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. 1, then just reverse. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1. It is cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. And cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. Okay. So it will be how much? It's half, it will be 25 joules. Okay. Everyone have understood? Anyone who doesn't understand, please tell. Okay. Normal to the force. When the displacement is normal to the force, this angle will be how much? First cos 90. Cos 90 is how much? It's 0. So no work is done. Okay. 0 work will be done. 0. First question is clear to all. Anyone have doubts? Do ask. Have you understood? When they are at different angles, it means you have to take one of the components. That is cos theta. Either you take S cos theta or F cos theta, and either the force component or the displacement component. Okay. Second question. Read the second question and try it till I rub it. Read the second question and solve it in. Keep solving in rough notebook. Later you can do in fair. Solve the second one. A boy of mass 40 kg climbs up the stairs and reaches the roof at a height of 8 meters in 5 seconds. Okay. Mass is given 40 kg. Okay. Displacement is given 8 meters. And time is given 5 seconds. Right? 5 seconds. Okay. So a boy of mass 40 kg climbs up the stairs and reaches the roof at a height of 8 meters in 5 seconds. Calculate the force of gravity acting on the body. How much force of gravity is acting on the body? F equal to mg. Multiply it and get it. 14 to 10. It will be 400 Newton. Force we have got. 400 Newton. It is asking force, how much force of gravity is acting on. So it's mg, force into gravity, acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Second one, the work done by him against the force of gravity. What is the work done? He has climbed 8 meters. Work done will be F into S, 400 into 8. It will be how much? Calculate it.
30,
That will be the
200 joule.
3200 joule. That will be the amount of work done against the force of gravity because person has reached 8 meters distance against force of gravity. Force of gravity acting on this action. So he has applied force in this action. That force into 8 meter will give us the work done by the body. Okay, work done by him. Power spent by the boy, power, how we calculate? Work done per second. That's the power. So divided by 5. 1/6, how much it is? 6 of 6 what? How much it will be? 3200 divided by 5. 640 joules. Yes or no? 640 joules.
Yes.
640 watt. 640 watt. Power we are calculating. Power equal to this much. It is joule per second. We can say 640 watt. Is this clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Second
Yes,
question
sir.
is clear. Who said no? Is it clear or not? If
It's
not, I
clear.
can explain again. Anyone saying no?
No,
So
sir.
see here. Okay. No one is saying no. Okay. This is clear. Power we calculate. Read the next question. Read the next one. A man spends 6.4 kilojoule energy in displacing a body by 64 meter in the direction in which he applies the force. So a man is there. He is applying force.
Sir, force MA. Force equals to MA.
Force equal to MA. Okay. Is there any acceleration given? 1 minute. A man spends 6.4 kilojoule. So energy spent is how much? 6.4 kilojoule. This much energy man spends in displacing the body by 64 meters. Displacing by the body by 64 meter in the same direction as the force is being applied. Okay. Now calculate the force applied. We have to calculate the force applied. See here, this is the energy spent. It is equivalent to the work done on the body, yes or no? So work done by him is how much? 6.4 kilojoule. This is the amount of work done. Energy spent and work done by him are same. And this is equivalent to, and work done we have studied, F into S. Work done is 6.4 kilojoule. And force is, we have to calculate, displacement is 64 meter. It will be 6400 joules equal to F into 64. You can remove the unit, you can calculate. F equal to how much? 100 Newton. Yes or no? Joule per meter, that is Newton meter divided by meter, will get Newton. Understood this one?
Yes.
Okay. Force we have got. Now what we have to calculate? The power spent by the man. Okay. And he has taken how much time in displacing it? T is given 2.5 seconds. In this time, he has displaced the body. Okay. So power is what? Work done or the energy spent divided by time. Work done is how much? 6.4 kilojoule into 1000, 6400. Divided by time is how much? 2.5 seconds. Calculate it. Power spent. How much it is coming? Calculate everyone. You can put one more 0 and divide by 24. Or it is simply 640 into 4. Multiply with 100, these two zeros will go. And 4. But let's see what is the answer. 64 into 4. 4, 6, 6, 4, 30. 24, 2, 5, 6. 0 watt. Are you getting this answer? 2560 watts.
Yes, sir.
So this is the
Yes,
power of the man, the power spent by the man. Okay. Now we have to tell it in HP. HP means
Sir,
in
horsepower.
1 HP horsepower. It is 746 watt. 1 HP equal to 746 watt. It means 1 watt equal to 1 upon 746 HP. Okay, this much watts will be in HP. 2560 divided by 746
746. So
HP.
3.43.
3.43 that you can do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have you understood? The main thing
Yes.
is you must understand the concept. Okay. Try the
Yes.
next one. Try fourth one, everyone. Fourth question, everyone try. If it is little fast, do let me know. Will be little bit slow.
Sir, force is equals to mg.
Okay, see here, a weight lifter lifted a load of 200 kgf. So load is of 200 kgf. It is lifted to a height of 2.5 meter in 5 seconds. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we are having a load. It is of 200 kgf. Okay, it is lifted to a height of 2.5
2.5.
meters in
5 seconds.
5 seconds. So time is given, displacement is given, and force is given.
Yes, sir.
kgf. Okay, mg we can calculate. It is kgf.
Yes, sir.
We can convert into Newton, and g is given 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it will be 2000 Newton. Force we got. Okay, now what we have to calculate? Energies. Okay, 1 minute. The power, the work done. So work done equal to force
F
into
into S.
S. Okay, 2.5 into 2, 5, and you put 3 zeros. Okay, F into
Okay,
S
sir.
you can calculate 2000 into 2.5.
2.5.
These many joules. Okay, so it
Okay,
comes out to be 5000 joules. Okay, power developed by him. How much power developed by him?
Work
This
done upon time taken.
work done upon time taken. So divide 5000 joules upon 5 seconds. You'll get 1000
Sir, 1000 watt.
joule per second, or you can call it 1000 watt. Okay. Fourth
Yes, sir.
question clear to all. Okay, read fifth question, everyone, and try to do in rough. Read fifth question. Read fifth question, everyone. Okay, a machine raises a load of 750 Newton through a height of 16 meter in 5 seconds. Okay, so we are having a load. The machine raises it to a height of 16 meter. Okay, so this height is 16 meter.
750 multiply कर बताओ.
Yes, please be quiet. Okay, machine raises a load of 750 Newton through a height of. So this load is of 750 Newton. Okay, that is its weight is given. Okay, that is force only. In 5 seconds, calculate the energy spent and time equal to 5 seconds.
Sir, energy force equals to ma.
Force into displacement.
ma. Yes, sir.
Energy
displacement.
spent. Work done is force into displacement, and this
The
is equivalent to the
750 into
amount of
16.
energy spent, and this will be equivalent to the amount of energy spent.
750 into 16.
16. Okay,
The 12. So 12,000 joule.
it comes out to be 12,000 joule.
Joule.
Okay, so see here, whatever work done is here, that is the amount equivalent to the amount of energy spent. Okay, now next calculate the power of the machine. We have to
Sir,
calculate.
work done upon time
100%.
taken.
So this is the energy spent. This is the work done
Time taken.
divided by 5 seconds.
Time 5
You'll
seconds.
get it. You'll get it 2400.
Yes, sir.
So you'll get 2400 watt. Okay. This is the power spent. Okay. Now the input, the power of the machine we have to tell. This is the useful power that has done the work. Okay. What is the input power? We have to calculate the input power, that is power of the machine. If it is 100% efficient, 100% efficient means whatever power machine is giving us input, that is being converted into the power that is being spent. Okay, there are no other losses. Okay, so it is say 2400 watt. Okay, sixth one, an electric heater of power 3 kilowatt. This time power is given. How much is the power?
The 3 kilowatt.
So power equal to 3 kilowatt. This is the power.
Time is given 10 hours.
So used for 10 hours. This is
Time.
used for 10 hours. Time is given. We have to
10.
calculate the how much energy does it consume.
Yes, sir.
How much energy does it consume? We have studied energy equal to power into time. So it is 30 kilowatt into 10 hours.
Yes, sir.
It is
3000. 300.
300
Kilowatt
kilowatt
hour.
hour. This is the energy unit, kilowatt hour.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Express your answer in kilowatt hour as well as
So
joule.
divided by 10.
Divided by 10? No. Kilojoule. Okay, we have studied watt hour, 1 watt hour. It is equal to how much? 1 watt into 3600 seconds. So 1 watt hour equal to 3600 watt second. And this is nothing but joule, 3600 joules. Okay. 1 watt hour is 3600 joules. Okay, and here we are having how much? Or 1 kilowatt hour will be how much? 3600 into 10 raised to power 3 joules. Okay, and 300 will be how much? 300 into 3600 into 10 raised to power 3 joules. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 7. Okay, multiply them and you will get. Multiply them, you will get. You will get the answer, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 108, this one, and 10 raised to power 3 to 5, 6, 7. Okay, this much joules.
So 1.08 into 10 power 8 joule.
1 minute, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 we are getting. In book it is given 8 only. So where we make mistake? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, once check this one answer, okay? 1.08 10 is for 8, it is given in both. It is 30 kilowatt. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. It is 30 kilowatt hour. 3 kilowatt it is. Okay, I have written the answer. Okay, 30 kilowatt hour. Okay, you get 10 is power 6. Okay, it was 30. 10 is power 6. So 1.08
1.08 into 10 power 8 joule.
joules. Okay, it was 30 only. We have done wrong. So it is 30 kilowatt. Okay, this is clear. Okay, seventh one. A water pump raises 50 liters of water through a height of 25 meters in 5 seconds. So water pump we are having, it is raising water in liters. Okay. So we are having water pump and 50 liters of water is being raised through a height of 50 meter, I think. Through a height of 25 meter in 5 seconds.
Time equals 5 seconds.
T equal to 5 seconds, and this is the S, displacement, or H you can take. Okay. Water pump raises 50 liters of water through the height of the pump, height of 25 meters in 5 seconds. Calculate the power of the pump used. Calculate the power of the pump used. Okay. How much power is being used? Assuming it is 100% efficient. Okay. It is 100% efficient. Okay. So it is in liters. But what we have studied, force into displacement, that is the work
Yes.
done. Okay. So power will require work done. And here is in liter. And force is mass into mg. Weight of the water will be there. So we
Yes,
require
sir.
mass. So density is given to us. Density equal to mass upon volume. Mass will be density into volume.
Volume.
Okay. And here volume is given in 50 liters. We have to convert it into meter cube. So it will be how much? 15 to 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. This you all know.
Yes, sir.
In 1 meter cube, there are 1,000 liters. In 1 meter cube, there are 1,000 liters. Okay. So this will be there. And with density, if we multiply, that will be 10 raised to power 3 into 50 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter square. Okay. And it is kg per meter cube. It is meter cube. Okay. Meter cube get cancelled. We are getting 50 kg as mass. Mass equal to 50 kg. Just multiply density and volume, will get the mass. Mass equal to 30 kg. So you have got the mass and mass multiplied with, okay, G we have to take 10. That will give us the force. So 500 Newton into 25 meter. This will give us the 125 something like this.
Sir, 12500.
Okay, 125 and 00. And this much of energy or work done. Okay, now we have to calculate the power. Okay.
Work done upon time taken.
Okay, only power we have to take in, so we can simply divide it here and we can calculate. Okay,
Yes, sir.
2500 watt. Okay, since it is 100% efficient, therefore the same input power. Okay, do the next
Yes.
one. Try the next one. Okay, pump is used to lift 500 kg of water. This time we are having 500 kg of water. Okay, mass is given to us. We can calculate the force.
Sir, height also given, time also given.
All are given. Then what to calculate? Work done by the pump. 500 kg, 500 kg is the mass.
Sir, F into S.
And displacement is given 80 meter. And
Sir,
T is
time
given
is given 10 seconds.
10 seconds. Okay. Work done by the pump. What is the work done by the pump? Work
F
done
into
equal to
S.
F into S. F we require it is means mg into S we will calculate. So
Yes.
mass is 500 kg into G is given in the book, that is 10
meter.
meter per second square. 10 into displacement is 80. Calculate it everyone. 5 feet ja 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros.
Yes, sir.
This many joules.
Joule.
Okay. 4 into 10 raised to power 5 joules. 4 into 10 raised to power 5 joules. This is the work done. Okay, second one, the power at which the pump works. The power at which the pump works, power equal to work done upon time. So this divided by 10 will give us 4 into 10 raised to power 4 watt. Okay, 40 kilowatt. We can say 40 kilowatt or. This is clear. The power rating of its efficiency. The power rating of the pump, if its efficiency is 40%. Okay, what do you mean by efficiency? Efficiency equal to useful power. That is the power of the pump which has been used to do the work. Useful power and input power. Okay. So while the pump is working, some power is lost in overcoming the frictional force and those all. So some work is done against frictional force, or some is converting into heat energy or sound energy. Those there, that is wastage. So useful power divided by input power. Okay. Efficiency is given how much? 40%. Useful power is this much. 40 into 10 raised to power 3 watt. Okay, or 40 kilowatt you can say simply. It is 40 kilowatt only. So this is 40 kilowatt useful power. Input power we have to calculate. So input power, this is 0.4 only, equal to 40 divided by input power. Input power equal to 40 divided by 0.4. This comes out to be 100 kilowatt. Understood? Have you understood this one? Have you understood this one? Eighth one. Efficiency is useful power divided by input power. Okay. So efficiency is given 40%. Input power, this is useful power, that is used to do the work. Okay. 40 kilowatt. Input power we have. So it means 100 kilowatt of power was the input. Machine was doing the work. And from this 60% of the power, where it has gone, it's complete wastage. Overcoming the frictional sound energy or any other kind of energy, it has been converted. only 40% is being used to lift the water. Only 40% of the energy or 40% of the power is being used to lift the water. Okay. Ninth one, an ox can apply a maximum force of 1000 Newton. Okay, this is the force applied. It is taking part in a cart race. It is able to pull the cart at a constant speed of 30 meters per second while making its best efforts. Calculate the power developed by the ox. Okay, this time force is given and velocity is given, and power we have to calculate. Force is given, velocity is given 30 meter per second, and force is given, maximum force that can be applied is 1000 Newton. Okay, so we have studied work done is how much? F into S. Power is what? W into T, W upon T. F into S divided by T. This we have studied. Okay, or we can say F into S by T, that is velocity. So power is nothing but force into velocity. Okay, now calculate it will be how much? 1000 into 30. 100 in 1000 into 30, 30 kilowatt. 1000 Newton into 30 meter per second. 30 kilowatt, it will be the power. Power will be 30 kilowatt. Okay, 10th one. The power of a motor is 40 kilowatt. Power of a motor is 40 kilowatt. At what speed the motor rises a load of 20,000 Newton. Okay, power equal to F into V. Power is given. And what is power of motor? At what speed the motor raises a load? Okay, speed we have to calculate. Force is given. Calculate everyone. 40 kilowatt. 40 kilowatt equal to force is how much? 10,000. 20,000. 20,000 into V. Divide them, you get the answer. Divide them, you get the answer. So answer comes out to be 4 zeros. You can see 4 by 2. 2 meter per second it will be. Is this clear? 2 meter per second. Okay, next one. Rajan, exert a force of 150 Newton pulling a cart at a constant speed of 10 meter per second. Calculate the power exerted. This you can easily do. Force into velocity, same. Next one. A boy weighing 350 Newtons. Okay, this is important. Check it. Boy weighing 350 Newtons. So force is mg, that is the weight only 50 Newton. Okay, 350 Newton. Exerts. Okay, climbs up 30 steps. So there are 30 steps like this. Okay, climbs them up, reaches on top. Okay, this is our boy. Okay, reaches on top, and 30 steps are there, each 20 centimeter high. So this distance is how much? 20 centimeter high. Okay, and time taken is how much? 1 minute. 1 minute means convert it into seconds, 60 seconds. Okay, so what is the distance covered? 30 steps are there. How much is the distance covered? 20, 20, 20, 20, 30 times. So it will be 20 centimeter into 30. It will be 600 centimeter. It is how much? 0.6 meter. This is clear? You got the force in this direction as well the displacement. Displacement as well you got, not this displacement, this displacement. Because we need the component in the same direction. Force, they must be in the same direction. This is the direction of the displacement, yes or no? But its direction will be here. That is, this will be the component in the direction of the force. Okay, multiply them, you will get the, what you are going to get? Work done. Okay, work done equal to F into S. 350 Newton into 0.6 meter. Calculate it, everyone. 6 5 0. 30. 6 is 18, 21. And 0.60, you can say 210. 2100 joules. So work done is 2100 joules. Have you understood? Okay, 1 minute. One mistake we have made. 600 centimeter is 6 meter. You haven't told. It is 6 meter. 2100 joules. Okay, 600 I converted meter into kilometer that one. Okay, 600 centimeter is 6 meters. Okay, 600 centimeter is 6 meters. Okay, and the power spent is how much? Power spent 350 into 6 meter
Time taken.
by 60 seconds. So 0 will cancel, 6 will cancel, 0 will cancel. 35 watt. Okay, 35 watt. Clear to all? Okay, 13th will be a bit slow. It takes 20 seconds for a person A of mass 50 kg. So we are having a person A whose mass is 50 kg climb up the stairs, while another B of the same mass climbs the steps in. Okay, so we are having A person and B person. Okay, it takes 20 seconds for a person A. So time taken by person A is 20 seconds, and the mass of the person A is 50 kg. Okay, to climb up the stairs, while another person B of same mass does the same in 15 seconds. Does the same means climb the stairs. So T equal to 15 seconds and mass is same 50 kg. Okay, and they both are climbing the stairs. Okay, same stairs, they have done the same work. Compare the work done. What will be the work done? Work done.
Same.
Work done will be same or different. Since see here, their mass are same, weight will be same, mg, and they are doing the same distance. They have moved the same distance. So work done will be same. So work done by A is to work done by B. It will be how much? 1:1. They will do the same work. They are doing the same work. Okay. Now power developed by the person A and B. Power developed by A and B. What is the power spent by A? Okay, P of A we can do. It is WA upon time. It is WA upon what it is? 20 seconds. PB will be how much? WB upon 15. Yes or no? And WA and WB both are same. WA and WB are same. PA upon PB equal to WA upon 20 into 15 upon WB. It will be, these are same, they will cancel each other. So PA upon PB,
3
it will
upon
be how
4.
much? 15 upon 20, that is 3 upon 4.
3 upon 4.
Understood? Or you can say, since the same work is being done, it means power is inversely proportional to the time. Yes or no? Power will be inversely proportional to the time. So PA upon PB equal to TB upon TA. Yes or no? Since both are doing the same amount of work, power spent will be depending on their time. Inversely proportional to the time, it will be yes or no? Power equal to work done upon time, or we can say power is inversely proportional to time. Since both are doing the work same, so only the time is the different, we can compare the time. Whatever the ratio of the time comes inversely, that will be the power spent ratio. Understood this one? Compare, we have to compare? We have to compare it, okay? That means you have to find the ratio. Calculate means you have to calculate, okay? 14th one, do as homework, okay? 15 and 16 we will discuss on Monday, and remaining numericals we will discuss, okay? So complete these numericals. Numericals are very important. It will give you the basic understanding of the application of the whatever theory we have studied, okay? So by Monday, complete all the numericals of this chapter, okay? Second day, all the numericals. You have to write all the steps. Okay, write all the steps. What is being your mass is this and that and all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Complete your work.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.